Hey guys, so today I'm going to do another episode and we're going to do brownies. And my cousin Ali Alfar will be joining me. So we're going to need 1 cup.
2 cup. If you're one person,
1 cup. You're gonna need a bit of water, sugar, oil,
flour, and Kit Kat.
Kit Kat is optional for a flavor.
Yeah, and this to crush the Kit Kat
and put it in. Yeah. So we're going to start.
And also cocoa powder.
Yeah, of course. So we're going to start
with 2 spoons of cocoa powder.
2 teaspoons.
Teaspoons of cocoa powder.
1, 2.
My turn. 1, 2.
And then we're going to use
the flour and quarter a cup of flour, half of this pink thing, half of the pink thing.
Why isn't it going down? There you go.
More? Oh, that's too much.
Okay.
Too much.
Okay, so
that looks perfect.
We're going to put it in.
All of it.
And then I will put some. So here's my cup.
We're making microwave brownies.
Yeah.
Microwave brownies.
Okay.
I
think that's enough.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this in. Okay, that's it.
And then we're going to need
we're gonna need
a 1/4 cup of sugar.
Sorry about the noise, guys.
We're so sorry, but it's important.
Maybe more. Dump it all in there.
Okay, that's enough.
That's enough. And put the sugar in. Look how
now we're going to use 2 teaspoons
of
oil.
Cooking oil.
Oil. Vegetable oil, to be more exact.
Yeah, I used 2, but one of the spoons I got half.
And then we're going to use
water.
3 teaspoons of water. Okay, now 2, 3. No, this is a big spoon.
You can use a big spoon, but only
2 or 1.5.
Or 1.5.
Okay. And finally,
we're gonna
mix them.
Oh, before that, this is the optional part that you might not do. If you don't want to do it, just skip the video. Open the Kit Kat. And then I'm gonna smash them.
I'm gonna smash them with my hands.
No, you have to break them with your hands, then you have to smash them here. Oops. And I have to do this.
And I'm gonna break them.
Or you can do what he's doing, or you can smash it.
Okay. We're gonna use 3 Okay.
This is optional, so skip the video if you don't.
If you want, and if
to.
you don't, you can just watch this.
Watch this if you want to do it.
Okay, now I'm going to wash my hands.
And so mine, because cleanness is really important. I just need to do something, guys.
Okay, now, so we're going to put the cups in the microwave.
You need a spoon.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna take some of this.
And put
this
it
much.
Not less. You can put more.
You can put more if you want to. You do that.
Leave me a bit.
Okay, and then do this, and then you mix them all together.
So Ali's gonna put it in the microwave.
And the first thing you have to mix them.
Yeah, of course. Mix mine too, okay? Okay.
You can do this in a cup or in a
bowl.
or in a plate. Then mix this. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Way too much.
Okay. So I think that's really enough. So
Okay, now we're gonna put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And I'm going to wash my hands. Then you put it in the microwave. Just plug it in the microwave and just put it in for 2 minutes exactly.
But that would be too hot.
Okay. Wait. I'll turn this thing on. Wait, how make this thing work?
I don't know.
Okay, here.
It's on.
Okay.
What is this?
Yes. Okay, and then you press start. And then
Okay. So we're going to wait until it finishes.
La 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 la
La, la, la. So you're good. So you can skip this part if you want, and if you want, you can watch. But I
the
feel
process happening
yeah.
inside it.
Yeah. You can see it.
Okay.
You can't see a lot now. So there's 1 minute and 5 seconds left.
This might be boring for you guys, but
Reading for you.
and we might skip this out.
There are 40 seconds left. So
39, 38, 37,
36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28,
27,
26, 25. What just happened? Okay,
Okay, then it's done.
I think it's enough.
Yeah, I think that's enough. It might be really, really hot. It might be really, really hot. It should look like this. Then when it cools off, it can be a brownie.
Yeah, so for my plate, I want to wait until it finishes.
Okay.
So now, please do this. Please video this and send it on YouTube if you want. And let me see how you did. And please leave a like
and subscribe if you like this video. And if you did, and now I'm gonna eat the leftover Kit Kat. Goodbye.
Thank you for